worth buying the BMW? Every time. People have asked me why BMW. You could have had any bike you wanted. And I tell them, I did. I had the bike I wanted. What we're going to do is, because I'm feeling in the mood, we're going to go for a blast up the Autobahn. We're just going to put a bit of speed on her tyres, just because I'm in the mood to. And that's the one good thing about Bavaria. We have a law that allows me to do it. And good roads, that means I can do it safely. So I'm going to go up a couple of junctions and then we're going to go down. So you're going to get a taster of exactly what Sam is. And that is the demonic angry owl. That is a K1600 on the move. So when I say it's a sports tourer, it really is, because there's not many bikes outside of sports bikes that will do this. The BMW have this K1600 with an inline 6 that is phenomenal. It has the R1250 RT that I've reviewed as a courtesy bike, and that does this. But only the K1600 does it like this. There is only the K1600 that could do it like this. And there she is, racking up the speed, 135, 140. And rock solid. The BMW is confidence inspiring. The K1600 is a beast of a bike. Why did I call her Samantha? No idea. But I looked at her and she went, Samantha! And it was exactly that. And I knew that we were a perfect match. So now, you've seen Samantha coming through town, you've seen her coming through the suburbs, you've seen her scream along the Autobahn. So that's a flavour of what this channel is all about. I want you to be part of it, and I want you to share your experiences with me, and then we can make this a really good channel. We can make it it's not about just Sam, it's about the K1600 in its entirety. So back down the Autobahn again. And then this time we'll just do the cruise control. The journey down the Autobahn in 6 with cruise control. And then you can just see just how sedate and how usable this massive heart of a bike is. 6th gear into there. I'm going to do 56 miles an hour, which is the optimum speed, and then 2,500 RPM. She's just trundling along and she's having fun. and for this you can just go long distances. And if you carry a Desert Fox, and I carry a Desert Fox as well, I carry an extra 20 litres, so I've got 27 litres in the tank, and then I carry a 20 litre Desert Fox as well, so that gives me huge range and capacity. So I haven't got to worry about running out of fuel, because I won't, because wherever you go, you're not that far from a fuel station. Now I can flick to see how many miles I'm doing it at the moment, and at this it's really good fun, because it says I'm averaging about 76 miles to the gallon driving her as I am at the moment. In reality, you're probably only doing about 53 to 54. It's not that the BMW lies, it's just that the instant for the gauge that it's doing is exactly that. You're going down a hill, you're going on a straight. But when you look at overall, I average around 53 to 55 miles per gallon. I'll work that 18 litres and I'll put that there. So it's actually a very, very economical bike. Is it comfortable? Yes. Is it protective? I've got the huge area to protect me. Admittedly, this isn't the standard screen, it's specially made, so that's cool. I got heated grips, heated seats, and everything's good. You never have to worry about anything. No. Am I ever concerned about anything? No. Is she maintained regularly? I probably over maintain it, to be honest. She goes in for services more regularly than BMW prescribe, but I like to do that because I like to look after my bike, and I work on the premise that if I look after her, she's going to look after me. Now I'm getting fed up of going cruise control, so let's go. Just gotta love that rush. There isn't another bike on the planet that gives me a rush like that. Now all you K1600 owners out there, you know what I'm talking about. It puts a grin on your face like no other bike can. Now, not every bike puts a grin on your face. Most do. Would a K1600 put a grin on everybody's face? No. And some people, it would scare them senseless. I got that right then. I changed that word quickly. So, yes. It does make a big difference. But it's all about horses for courses, and I'm so glad that everybody's different, because I would hate everybody to have a K1600. Around Bavaria, the biggest bike is the R1250 GS. That's the biggest variant of bike sold and used in Germany. Do I like my K1600 more than anything? Do Volkswagen piss me off? Yeah, because they pull out without indicating. They expect you to know where they're going. Do many car drivers hack you off? Luckily around Germany, not that many. There are an awful lot of really good, considerate four-wheel drivers. And that's good. Are there some idiots? Hell yeah, there's idiots on everywhere. There's idiots on two wheels, there's idiots on four. Is it bad that we have an issue with bikers? In a lot of cases, we're our own worst enemy. We like pulling wheelies, we like doing things that cause problems, and we shouldn't do, but unfortunately we do. Right, I just need to stop and do a little bit of shopping. Back later. Right, and welcome back. So, you've seen Sam sedate, riding along. You've seen her squirting along the Autobahn. You've seen her come and do some shopping with me. So, food shopping. So, is it a bike for all seasons? Yes, it most certainly is. For me. Not everybody will agree. And in fairness, I don't think everybody can agree.